Hey, this is Garrison at the Shure booth 2024. Happy to share our GLXD Plus dual channel wireless pedal. This is our dual channel receiver for guitar and bass or any multi-instrumentalist you can plug in with a 1/4-inch cable. It's also, you can see here, a tuner, fully functional. So if you want to tune your guitar, keep it on your pedal board. It can also be turned into just a wired tuner with an input and an output. Fits great into your pedal board. You don't need to pull it off if you want to go wireless or go wired for different gigs. And the body pack is right here. You can see super slim and functional. The battery is rechargeable. You can charge with a USB-C cable. If you're ever in the need for a quick charge at a gig, 15 minutes of charge should give you hours of playability, making sure you never experience the battery going out during a show. And the fact that it's a dual channel receiver means that it will jump between the 2.4 or 5.8 gigahertz channels, depending on if there's any interference, again, ensuring that you never drop out at a show.
Hey, this is Russ from Shure at NAMM 2024, and we're looking at the Shure SM7B, which is the new version of the SM7B released this year. It's the same SM7B that we all know and love, except we've added a Shure design preamp. So we changed a couple little things on the back of it. Instead of the small little switches where you need to use a pin to change it, we've got actual tactile switches. But the big news is we've added our own Shure design preamp. So you have a plus 18 or plus 28 dB boost. So that way you don't need to use any inline preamps anymore like you did with the SM7B. Also, if you bypass the preamp, you have the exact same sound as the classic SM7B. It's the same circuitry, same innards, same everything. So that is the new SM7DB.
Hey.